5 Best Vacuum for Pet Hair and Tile Floors Reviews. Number 1. Shark Rotator Lift-A-Weight True Pet. Without a doubt, this is considered one of the best vacuum cleaners for tile floors and pet hair that you would come across. It works effectively on different types of floors, ranging from hardwood to tiled rooms. Not to mention, there is a fingertip controller, which you can use to switch it into carpet mode for such areas. Of course, another essential feature to mention here is the anti-allergen technology that traps allergen and dirt within. Furthermore, you can detach the vacuum nozzle region and use it as a handheld in smaller areas. This lets you clean the hair plus dust from unreachable places like behind the couch or up on the windows. Number 2. Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal is undoubtedly a beast. Not only does it clean the different parts of the home, but it also removes bacteria and allergens. Indeed, this product is one of the best in the market due to its deep clean technology and durable suction power. Furthermore, it works cordless and runs for around an hour in one sitting. Of course, this varies in case you attach another part that requires more power, or you adjust the main power altogether. The cleaning divisions have a toward feature, and it digs into the carpets to take out the deep-set specks of dust. Number 3. Bissell Power Edge Pet Hard Floor. This vacuum cleaner is one of the most reliable pet hair and dirt remover with clean air technology. Indeed, it has a dirt cap, which is easy to clean and does not store excess particles. Not to mention, it covers a wide ground and is easily navigable in tricky areas as well, like around the chair legs. Of course, the main reason behind this is the V-shaped structure of its cleaning nozzle, which simultaneously works on different particles. The outer slightly elongated tips suck out the fine particles like pet hair and such quickly. And the middle portion collects the bigger trash and grime that is dragged in by its outer portions. Number 4. Miele Complete C3. The Miele Complete C3 is one of the best vacuum-based cleaning products in the market with great features. In fact, this machine is easy to use on different types of floors and has settings for handling them all. Not to mention, it has a self-adjusting feature, which makes it correct its own power when it is working on the carpet. Furthermore, you can control the power and the modes using the foot switch on the lower part of the main machine. You can then adjust the cleaning tube around the different parts of the room for optimal cleaning. Also, the power brush itself is automated and works in different corners of the room effectively. And it moves well and smoothly, thanks to the height level adjuster and swivel neck features.
Number 5. Eureka Muddy Mud Coated. In the matter of ridding your home of dirt and pet fur, Eureka Muddy Mud Coated is one of the best available. After all, it comes with the 2-bag feature that effectively stores more of the trash. Thus, it is easy to dispose of the stored dirt at a later time, and the stiff bristles weed out a lot of it. Indeed, the suction power of this machine is mighty, and you can easily use it in different parts of the house. Not to mention, the long pipe which is separate from the storage body is easy to navigate in various corners on the upholstery as well. It is very light, and you can easily carry it around and operate in small crevices.